Hi everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that very popular 562 XP. This one features a 20-inch barn chain. That's a 3/8 pitch. Replaceable sprocket nose. And look at some of the features this saw has. Master control is right here. Off, run, high idle choke. Side load on the gas reservoir as well as the oil reservoir. Got the popular wrap handlebar and two large falling spikes. And this has all the latest electronics loaded into it. So if you're looking to get your hands on one of those 562s, here's one.